I was missing the Morocco boy. What do you want to say?
Take care of yourself.
All
and
right.
Get out of here.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Guys, I'm preparing for the real hustle now because free accommodation, Okula, free accommodation, Akwenge, free accommodation, Sefinisi. Now I'm going to hustle and pay for my accommodation. Man, it's not gonna be easy. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Now let me tell you something. Think Sunderland University, man. Think Sunderland University, I repeat it. Man, the sun is too much. They are not paying me to say this, man. But I just have to let you know. This is the advantage that we have in the University of Sunderland. Because they give out free accommodation. Like 90% will probably get it, yeah. So it's a huge relief, man. I can't lie to you. So just imagine I've been here for like 18 months now. Let's make it an average £300 per month. That is up to £5,400 for the period that I've been here. So, man, that's not an easy money. So you might be working and be getting the money, but all your hustle will go in for accommodation. So, just want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to the university for this offer. It has been a big relief, like I said, a huge one indeed. So thank you guys, and I'm taking my leave now. I need to go and hustle like a man, you know what I mean? I was missing the Morocco boy. What do you want to say?
Take care of yourself.
All
and
right.
Get out of here.
And what?
Leave. Go for the adventure. Take care. Bye bye.
Alright, see you. I'm monitoring my Uber driver coming. We'll be here in just 1 minute.
So you'll be looking for big companies to work in, yeah?
Yes, I just need any IT company, you understand, to start with.
You know, uplift yourself and find that God. You know, bring some. You know, it's powerful. It's quite powerful when you find, you know, the true God and you worship Him alone. It's very powerful, and you know, it kind of uplifts you. Look at Malcolm X. He was a Muslim. a Nation of Islam first, but he became a true Muslim. He realized that. And I think Malcolm X speaks for a lot of black people.
Yes, yes.
Research him. See what he says.
So this box came in with accommodation. Wow, Flora. Oh, this is nice. Now let's do a quick tour of the property. So if you come in from here, you'll see 2 rooms by your left. So down there is the TV lounge and the kitchen, but we will come back to that. Let's go upstairs first. So here we have the first bathroom, and the toilet is quite beautiful in it. This is explicit. Wow. And here is another toilet and bathroom very close to the one that I just showed you. This one is so beautiful also. I think I'll be using this one. I don't like the other one that looks like a Stamford Bridge. And here's another beautiful and a very small toilet. This is just only a toilet. So after that, you see 3 beautiful rooms here. One of them is my room, and the other 2 nobody's using it. So definitely that toilet is just for me alone. And if you go up again, there are 2 rooms and a toilet and bathroom. I believe that one is just for the 2 guys that will be up there. There is only one person that is up there, so he's just the one using the toilet and the bathroom there. So right here is my room. It's a medium size kinda. It's not really big and not really small, just portable. And I have a little standing table here. No, this is not a table. And this is the heater. They kind of regulate the heater. Sometimes they put it on, sometimes it's off, which I don't really know why they're doing that. And this is my take home for this room. This table is so lovely. It's also quite comfy when I sit down and use the computer. My other room, the table was a bit low, and I've been having this back pain for a long time now, but this one is just fits so comfortably. So this is the wardrobe. The wardrobe is really big enough, and there's a lot of space inside. I still have some spaces up there where I can keep my box. Yeah. And the view outside is dope, man. Across the road is just a beautiful park where you can sit down and reconnect with your supernatural providence. And this place is just a 10 minutes walk to St. James Stadium, that is the Newcastle Stadium. So check me out in the front seat anytime Chelsea come over here for the Premier League. Yeah guys, so that is my room tour for you. I am finally in Newcastle right now. So the room is not really much. It's just £260 without council tax. Council tax is the tax from the local government, that is from the Newcastle Council. So students don't pay council tax, but for me, I'm not more a student, so definitely I'm going to pay council tax. Yeah, so if I should add council tax to the 260, it's going to take everything to, let's say 300, 325, 350. Yes, per month. If you cannot pay, you pack your bags and go back to your country. No two ways about it. UK is for hustler. So yeah, that is it. So we are going to work hard and pay this rent, man. Yeah, so Newcastle is just like the center of Northeast, where a lot of things are happening here. So there's definitely gonna be a lot of opportunities here, compared to Sunderland and Middlesbrough and other northern cities. So our luck will definitely shine in this city. Yeah, so on this note, do want to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. I think I've said everything, right? Yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.